Hello guys, I'm Alessandro from Spirit. Today I will show you how to download, install and use the desktop Spirit application in order to synchronize the file that you are in your storage inside your project in your computer. We select one of our project, we go inside the storage page, we go in the cloud storage tab, then we go to the download Spirit desktop button in the top right corner. We download everything, we select the place, we set up the sync. Now we just log in inside the Spirit Desktop app. We select the workspace where we are working on, we select the project, and then in this way we will start to synchronize our files. As you can see here, there are all the files that are pending to be synchronized, all the files already synchronized. You can see everything that is happened inside the Spirit synchronizer. If you click with your right mouse and you go to show more option, you can go to the Spirit desktop options where you can make stuff online, so they will not hold any space inside your storage. And as you can see in the properties, there are 0 MB. You can make stuff offline, so they will be downloaded again. And you can also synchronize. You can do the same with the entire folder, so you can make the folder online or offline, and you can do the same with the file inside the folder. As you can see, you can make them online and offline as well. If you make a file inside the folder online, but there are other files that are offline, you will see this sign that is green but not completely green outside the folder. As you can imagine, if you have the permission to create a folder, you will create the folder in the storage that you want. But if you don't have the permission, I don't have the permission in this project, I will get these things, so I will not be able to create the folder. If I create instead a folder inside a place where I have the permission, as you can see, the folder is created. So let me show you also this. You can take a file, I will copy a file, I will paste the file inside the new folder, and I will show you that if you try to delete it, you will see that you will get this danger dialog box that will say to you that if you delete it, it will be deleted forever. If you just want to empty space inside your own computer, you might as well make it offline. If you make it online, you will get 0 byte, of course, in your hard drive. But if you want to make it offline again and have this downloaded again, you will get it. If you delete it for real, pressing yes in this dialog button, you will get that the file is forever deleted. If you go to the trash icon inside the app, you will find this file inside the trash, and you can recover it as well. It will start to run, and you will see it will start to be downloaded again, and you will see again the file here. Let's now check the trash inside the storage page inside the project. As you can see, the trash can be synchronized as well. You can recover things from the trash as well inside the browser storage, and you will get as well the file inside your browser page. Now I will show you this. Every file has its own version history. The version history is basically the list of every time the file has been overwritten. In this way, you can recover the file in a moment where it was overwritten, and this will allow you to don't lose any things that might be on the trash but are not really deleted. So you will find them in the version history page. So you can just recover the version clicking on this icon for recover it.